Today we'll make a classic dhaba style Indian dish. It's favorite of all the dishes that are ordered in dhabas. It's called classic dhaba style egg curry. Dhabas are the place to eat locally. Very fond of people, though have a great taste in regional cuisines. And in those dhabas, this type of curries are very popular. It has a rich tomato based gravy and is very tasty with Indian dishes. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for your unconditional love and support for my videos. So let's begin. So first we need 6 hard boiled eggs. So I have just put the eggs in water and let it boil. Next process, we'll begin with the gravy. For that I have heated a pan here on medium high flame and I have added 1 tablespoon oil. To it I'll add ginger around 1 inch, garlic cloves around 10 to 12, 2 whole red chilies and 2 large size tomatoes. I'll chop the tomatoes roughly and all the ingredients in this pan. We need to just fry these ingredients on medium high flame for around 4 to 5 minutes. We don't need to cook them properly, we just want it to be a bit seared, so it will just take around 4 to 5 minutes as I said, and this gives a very nice flavor to this tomato gravy. Actually in this some dhabas they prepare this gravy beforehand. So my tomatoes are done here, let it cool and I'll just make a paste of it, and my paste is ready here. Second thing we need to prepare is a cashew nut paste. I have soaked here 5 to 6 cashews for around 10 minutes. And I have taken a curd around 2 tablespoons. So after soaking for 10 minutes, we need to grind this together. So I have used a blender here. To it I'll add the cashews and then goes my homemade curd. And now we'll make a very smooth paste. My paste is done. Third step, my eggs are cooked here very nicely. The eggs are nicely hard boiled. So what I'll do, I'll just take a fork and start pricking it in this way so that when we coat it with masalas, it goes very nicely into the eggs. Just add red chili powder around 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi and salt around 1/3 teaspoon. Now mix this masalas, spices with the eggs so that the eggs get nicely covered. My eggs are looking good here. Now we'll just shallow fry these eggs. I have heated 1 teaspoon of oil on medium flame and in a pan, and now I'll add eggs to it. Be careful while adding eggs because they may splutter back. Now I'll just toss it for around 2 to 3 minutes till the eggs gets a nice coating, not too much, preferably something like this, because if we fry too much the eggs may get tough, because as it is protein gets tough very easily. So my eggs are done. Now for the final process, I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai or a pan. To it I'll add 2 whole bay leaves, 1 cinnamon around 1 inch and black cardamom 1. These spices gives a very nice flavor to the gravy. So just temper it for around 30 seconds and then reduce the flame to medium and add 2 medium sized onions finely sliced and let the onions cook. Meanwhile I'll take some dry spices here. Turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. So I'll soak these spices in around 1 tablespoon of water and let it soak so that the spices release good flavor in the oil. Meanwhile my onions are looking good here. We just need to fry these onions till they are golden brown. And now reduce the flame to lowest and add the spices. And now increase the flame after adding spices and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the oil releases. Now add the tomato gravy we had prepared. Mix everything and now we'll cover it and let it cook on medium high flame for around 5 to 6 minutes so that the tomatoes are nicely cooked in the spices. After 5 to 6 minutes my gravy is looking good now. Now cook it on open flame for around 2 to 3 minutes till you see the masala has released oil. This masala is looking really nice in color. Now lower the flame to medium and add the cashew nut and yogurt paste that we had made. Give it a nice mix and cook this paste on medium flame for around 4 to 5 minutes or till you see oil has separated. Then add finely chopped green chili 1. It completely depends upon your taste. and then goes salt as per taste. Mix everything well, and you can see how beautiful color the gravy has already got. And now I'll add chopped coriander leaves around 1 tablespoon. I'm roasting this masala on medium flame because I have added yogurt and the yogurt may curdle. So do this process in medium flame, and after few minutes you would see the masala paste is done. Then add around half cup of water, mix it nicely, and now increase the flame to high. And now I'll add eggs, the fried eggs. Mix everything well, and you can see how beautifully the masala is coating the eggs. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and then comes our two major ingredients: garam masala powder 1/2 teaspoon and kasuri methi powder 1/2 teaspoon. This kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves powder gives a very nice taste, the taste that we often get in the dhabas. Give it a nice mix, all things go together, cover it and let it cook on low medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes, or till you see oil has separated nicely. And my curry is looking great here. Eggs are perfectly coated with masalas, you can see, and the whole thing gets a nice amalgamation. So it's time to serve our dhaba style egg masala. I have served it in a beautiful platter, and you can see how beautifully the masalas have roasted. The consistency of the gravy is very nice here. You can have this masala or dhaba style masala with naan, paratha or Indian rice. Lastly, I have grated 1 boiled egg to give that perfect dhaba look, and there goes some fresh coriander leaves. My perfect dhaba style egg masala is ready to be served. It's looking so nice and tempting. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.